Just wait until you see this home on Jackson Hole. It is jam-packed with amenities. It will have you jumping for joy. Take a look.
Welcome home to this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath dream home. From the moment you walk in, you will be enchanted by the unique and interesting ceilings. Enjoy an open floor plan. The living area is welcoming with a fireplace. The kitchen is perfectly designed for entertaining, with a large dining area and breakfast bar. The isolated primary bedroom ensures a peaceful retreat from everyday life, featuring a unique ceiling feature, a luxurious bath, and a wraparound spacious walk-in closet. Plus, there's plenty of room for your cars and toys with a 3-stall garage. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity.
What did I tell you? This one on Jackson Hole is jaw-dropping. You better jet on over here and join me to see this one. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.